Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Shilpa. In this video, I am going to show you how you can do your practice at home. If you are housewife, if you don't have any partner, if you don't have any content, then how you can create your own story. So the thing is, I would like to tell you, if you don't have any partner, if you don't have any content, then you can do one thing. Whatever you are doing, you you can pick a sentence, you can pick a half sentence, and using this sentence you can create your own story. You can build your cock and bull story, fake story. Suppose, like, I would like to show you how you can do that. The thing is, suppose I'm going to take a sentence. Yesterday I went to the market. This is my half sentence. After this, what happened yesterday, I just want to show you how you can create. I'm also going to create this story. Yesterday I went to the market with a view to purchasing some vegetables, some fruits. I went to the stall and I started talking to the greengrocer. I started asking the rate of the vegetable. Meanwhile, a guy, handsome, dashing guy, came over there, and he clad in an alluring suit. He attracted me a lot. His style, his personality, his attire was attracting me. I was getting drawn towards him. I decided to talk to him. I thought I should talk to him. I started heading towards him. Meanwhile, a car was being driven by inebriated driver hit me. I fainted in no time. The same guy whom I was seeing continuously, whom I wanted to talk to him, he walked up to me. He picked me up in his arm and took me to hospital. After rushed me, he called my parents. My parents came over there and he narrated everything to my parents. I was being treated there, and when after 2 to 3 days, when my health started recuperating, I got discharged. After getting leave from the hospital, he dropped me to my house with my family, and I asked him to come inside. And I offer him a cup of tea. We both had a tea, and after this he went to his house. So this is the way you can create your own story. You can create your cock and bull story. I was not aware that this story reached there. However, I tried myself best. You have to create the same, you have to apply the same method. You have to create your own story. It should be cock and bull story. Okay, so if you are interested, if you like this video, if you like my method, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, support my channel. We will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.